Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. Coming to you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as about 80 to 70% of you are not subscribing. Also, don't forget to click that bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, let's get into this. This is a Chipotle Chorizo Shell. What we have here is 5 links of chorizo sausage that I have removed from the casing. As you can see here, we got some of the oil coming out. And then we just want to chop this up and cook this up until it's done. It won't take long, especially if you the pot's covered. About, 5 to 6 minutes or so. So yeah, just chop it up as you keep cooking. And all right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, I've deglazed our pot. And I've added 3 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce and 1 15-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes. If you can't find the crushed tomatoes in the 15-ounce variety, either do 28 tomato sauce, 28 crushed, or just do 4 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Now, as you can see, I'm giving it a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, but again, you want to be a little cautious with the salt because, again, the tomato sauce has salt in it and the chorizo sausage has salt in it. All right, then we want to add about a half a teaspoon of whole fennel seeds, a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. I think these add a great little bit of flavor. Then about a teaspoon of onion powder. Then about a teaspoon of basil. Teaspoon of oregano. About a teaspoon to a half a teaspoon of chipotle powder, depending on how spicy you like it. About a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons, again, depending on your spice level, of red pepper flakes. And then about a teaspoon or so of garlic pepper. If you can't find garlic pepper for whatever reason, just use garlic powder. And then about, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Then you just want to give this a nice little stir around and let everything get happy. And then you want to start the simmering process. And again, at least 30 minutes. Can be longer. Longer you simmer the sauce, usually the better it gets. All right, we're about 10 minutes or so into our sauce simmering. Now it's time to add the chorizo sausage back and give this a stir around. You might want to reduce the heat slightly at this point. By the way, if you didn't know, I was on about a kind of between medium low heat. And all right, let's just keep simmering away. Oh, and make sure to add a 8-ounce can of chipotle sauce. You can find this in pretty much any grocery store. And always make sure you taste as you cook to adjust for any seasonings. All right, our sauce is ready to go. time to add our drained pasta shells. I went with large pasta shells, not the jumbo, the large. If you want to go with like medium or small, completely up to you. Or if you want to use a different pasta shape, it's fine too. Anyway, give this a stir around and then about a minute to cook in the sauce. Kill the heat. And alright, we'll be ready for serving. And just put some in a bowl. Then I topped it with a triple cheddar blend. And that's that. Chipotle Chorizo Shells. Done.